Alright, now we're 7.7 miles out. I'll turn on my radio. See. I don't hear anything yet. Oh, 122.8, that's supposed to be their frequency. Nothing going on today. Not so far. It was on, just real low. I suppose I would have heard somebody. They were very close. That kind of makes me worry. They're probably like, why isn't there anybody flying today? Well, they're not dumb enough, maybe. I don't know. Makes you worry. But it's Monday, and I know it's not going to be that. Romeo, departing to the south. Run away. Yeah, there's some streaks in the water, and I think that's probably caused by the wind down there. Yeah, I can see the airport, so. Yeah, I don't know whether I'll land here or not. I hate paying, I think it's $11. Especially if I don't need to take a leak, I feel fine. I went back there at Ortner, so this was only about 30, 35 minutes out here. It's not that far. But there's the airport straight ahead. You can see the runways.
Wayne County traffic, Soul 61, is 10 miles to the west.
Fulton Bay traffic, experimental 312 Delta Juliet is about 3 miles south of the runway, but I don't plan to land. I sure wish it was a nicer day. This turned out to be not as good up here as I thought. Yeah. So, I think I'm going to just kind of circumnavigate the island and say I've been here. Save myself the landing fee. Not sure which runway they'd be using today, but tetrahedron says go in from the other way, I think. Anyways, they don't want you to fly too close to it, but this thing we're coming up to is Perry's Monument. They had a big battle here. I think it was a war, 1812 maybe. Some kind of, with sailing ships and stuff. I guess this guy Perry must have won because they built a great big tower. You can go up in that thing, and I don't know if they charge you money to go up in there. Probably do. They got to get money somehow. But anyways, I think I got to go clear around this bit. There's a lot of houses down there. I'll go around the other side of the island. But why pay money to go up in a monument? Man, I can see everything for this thing. And there's no sense going to an amusement park because I got the best ride ever. Why would I want to go to an amusement park? Doesn't make any sense. I think it's on the other side, this house I want to take a picture of. I'm not just sure where it's at, so you just gotta... Oh yeah, I see it. Alright. Taking approach, stationer 521 measure. People don't believe it, but that's... Henry Ford had some ore carrier up here or something, and, back in the 20s or something, and that's the front end of it. They cut it off because it's all got like mahogany inside and stuff. So they cut it off, and somebody lives in that thing. That's somebody's house down there. I see people down there, that thing. I don't know if you can visit it or not. I would assume that it's a private house, so I don't think so. They got a little dock and stuff down there. But it's the front end of an ore carrier. I don't know how they got it where it is. They must have hoisted it up in there or something. It's really nice up here. If you come up here on a sunny day, it's really nice. I thought it was going to be, I'm not really holding on to anything, but you notice it isn't bouncing around so much because we're out over water. We're far enough away from the land now. We're not getting all that turbulence from over there. Yeah, that must be the ferry boat that's ahead of us. There's one going this way and one coming this way. I bet those are the ferry boats, and they got cars on there. They'll take your car out to the island.